You're losing over $3,000 a year. Not on luxury stuff, not on big purchases, but on small daily treats that easily add up to $9 a day. That's $3,285 a year, gone, without you even noticing. And here's the crazy part. For most people, it's not just $9, it's way more. Add a coffee, a quick lunch, a snack, and you're already at $17 a day. That's $510 a month, over $6,000 a year, just slipping through your fingers. So why does this happen? Because it doesn't feel like spending. It's just tapping a card. No pain, no friction. But it's silently draining your account. So what can you do? Track your spending for 7 days. Every coffee, every snack, every scroll-induced takeout. Just for 1 week. Then cut just one habit. Just one. Skip your daily coffee to go. Enjoy one at the office or at home. Or maybe skip the daily delivery. And cook a few meals in advance instead. Meal prep can save you serious money. It's cheaper, healthier, and honestly kind of satisfying. That could save you hundreds this year. Thousands if you stick with it. And you won't even feel the difference. Plus, your body will thank you. More energy, better food, less stress. Instead of losing money to habits you don't remember, you could afford a weekend getaway, a new laptop, or simply less stress when the bills come in. Just give it a try. Want more smart money tips? Simple tips that actually work? Subscribe and start keeping your money.